I think I'm about to do something drastic, and I wanted to turn on this camera in case I mustered the strength to get it done, that I would be recording so I can share with you all. So, if you have been on my channel, you would have noticed that I cut off about 5 inches of my hair sometime last year. I'm a little nervous, but it has been a long time coming. I have been wanting to do a big chop on my hair for a couple of years now, but I guess I was just holding on to my hair because I love my hair long. I love being able to try different styles of the length that I have. I love being able to put my hair up in a bun and do certain things with my hair. But life has thrown me a few punches in the past few months, and try as I might, some of it are a bit difficult to cope with, to deal with, to accept, to move on. So I felt like, you know what, I'm going to take on this new journey in my life. I'm going to start a new chapter. So what better time than to cut the hair? It's so nerve-wracking. But I put the hair into these sections. I put in some rubber bands because I'm gonna cut above the rubber bands because I want to accomplish like a pixie cut when I am done doing this cut. It's not a trim, it's going to be a full-on cut. I put some to the back. The hair was stretched, but because I have been standing here with it just out, it kind of just started going back into a little freeze ball. So I'm putting the hair tie into this part to the back, and I am not going to hesitate to put this off any longer because I honestly feel like I want to do this. I have been wanting to do this. I think I need to do this because, like I have said, there are certain sections in the hair that have, I don't know, it has just gotten so bad and it has so much breakage in the roots of the hair that some of it are so short. So I figured, you know what, let's just let go. So today, we're letting go. It's the 16th of August 2024. And today we are starting fresh. We're letting go, we're starting new. So I'm gonna start to the back here. Tuck this away from my hairpin so I can see how I'm doing to the back. This is the, so I'm gonna cut above the rubber band. There's no turning back now. I know already I'm going to have to do some straightening afterwards when I am done, and that's fine. So I want you to start it with a good length that I can cut through afterwards, so that I can then put it as short as I want to get it to be. But this is hard. But I'm letting go. Letting go of hurt. Letting go of pain. Letting go of uncertainty. Letting go of self-doubt. Letting go of just so many emotions. Just letting go of the past. Embracing new paths. And here is to feel everything I want to be. Cut. You know, my fear in all of this was, would I be able to get this done properly? Someone looks like a mohawk. Gosh, I'm done. Letting go. And more than my hair. It will grow back if I really want it to. I'm gonna leave it like this for now, and let's see. It's all my hair. Cute little bongos. Alright, so I'm gonna wet it, put in some leave-in, get it done. I'll show you the end result when I am done styling it, but for now, this is it. When I'm going to the barber shop to get it done properly, I will be sure to share that, but there it is. A new journey begins. See you all soon.